I just want to update my video showing the new hobby box that I used to replace this old one. So the battery and everything was stored in this and kind of worked, but then I got worried about those LiPo batteries getting bashed up and then catching on fire. So I did pad it here and here, have some Velcro to keep it closed, but I wasn't too happy with that. And I mean, this is strong Velcro to hold such a little thing. And but I found something better. I found a hobby box. So this hobby box was online, and as you can see, you got the battery, and then the hacked starter from Traxxas, and then this is the remote relay that hooks up to your receiver in the car. You can see I drilled out sockets for those right here, and so it sits nicely. And then this, of course, fits right on top. And you can see, really clean installation here. Then I'll put the Velcro on, and then it will sit back in here again. And so it looks like that, as opposed to this improvised box that is the only thing I could find that would fit it. But lucky for me, found this. This was tough to find on the internet. It had to be the right size because, you know, it goes all the way back to the back of the top, and then, you know, then I'm gonna Velcro it down with this again.